Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, doing a soft wash roof cleaning job here on this home. As you can see, there's many different roof lines and lots of discoloration going on the roof. There's lots of algae. There's also some lichen and some moss. The back of the property is very tall, about 3 stories. And that roof in the back is also pretty bad. But this is a before video showcasing just how dirty this roof is. We will do an after video and before and after pictures as well. And if you have a roof that looks like this and you live anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call. We clean cedar shakes and shingles and all sorts of different roofs all throughout Minnesota. If you have a roof that needs to be cleaned, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. If you have a property that looks black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. Please stay tuned for the before and after pictures and the after video. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with an after video of soft wash roof cleaning on this home. As you can see, the roof has been restored to its original beautiful color. All the algae that was living and growing on this roof has been killed and removed. If you need a property soft washed anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. And the roof is still wet on this property. It will look much brighter when it's dry. And so again, if you have a property that you need soft wash, please give us a call. We specialize in cedar shake roof cleaning, shingles, siding, decks, anything that you need soft wash. We can definitely take care of that for you. So give us a call, 612-919-4185. You can also find us on the web. We have more YouTube videos on soft washing than any company in Minnesota. So if you have anything that's black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. Thank you so much, and please enjoy the before and after photos. And please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.